Right, this is a short video which is going to show you what I've done in terms of the Shorley History Society and a Gmail account. Now, if you don't want this, that's fine, it's all free, there's no obligations or anything, but I've set it up because I think it makes life easier. It means everyone has access to all of the data for Shorley History, everyone can load it onto this particular G drive, and it's there. It's free up to 15 gigabytes, which is loads and loads of data. And then you can all access it. You can share links to the web page, which is important because I'll show you in a separate video how you can then add those links to the web page and edit the web page nice and easily. So, those of you that have a Gmail account already, you'll see, I've got several. So I've got a personal one, a business one. I've got access to my mother's here as well because she's constantly requiring me to do stuff for her. And I've added another one which is in Jennifer's name just because I had to put a name in and I didn't want to confuse my situation by putting my name in or anybody else when they're trying to log in. So Jennifer, don't worry about this. This isn't linked in any way to your existing Gmail account. I've put your name in, but I have not put your email address in. So the email address is shorleyhistorysociety@gmail.com. Your email address is not associated with that account. Neither is your email, your phone number, or anything. I've put my landline number in as the verification number, and I've gone through the verification process. So it's a verified person, if you like, and the person is Shorley History Society. But your name, Jennifer, is just there because I had to put a first name, last name in. So if you already have a Gmail account, log out of it, and then you will get the option to log back in again. And if you've only got one account, you'll have your account, for instance, and then you'll have use another account. So click on use another account and it will ask you to sign in, and then the username is shorleyhistorysociety@gmail.com, and at the moment at least the password is the date I created the account, which is 31/01/2018, 31st January 2018. Okay, so if you use another account, fill in the username and the password, and that will take you into Gmail for this account. So obviously, surprise, surprise, there's no email there. I'm going to save that just so I've got the password saved. So at the moment I can get into this account, and anybody who's seen this video now knows the access details. So if you want to change the password at some point and let specific people know, you can let me know and I can do it for you if you like, or you can do it yourself, but just make sure obviously you keep a note of the password. So there's no email because no one knows that the account exists yet, so surprise, surprise, there's no email. Right, okay, this is getting a page unresponsive thing, and that's because of TalkTalk. So let's hope that that sorts itself out while I'm doing this. So I want to then, so I've got into my Google email. We don't particularly need Google email because we've all got our own emails. But the reason you have to do this is so that you can create a username to use other Google products. And the Google product, when we can access it through TalkTalk, the Google product that I actually want to use is G Drive. There we are, we seem to be on again. So if you go up to apps here, these are all the Google, because YouTube is owned by Google and all the rest of it. G Drive there. If I click on G Drive, that takes us through to the G Drive account for Shorley History Society. Okay, and I've set up some on G Drive. This is a free 15 gigabyte account. You can see there's 220 megabytes used. So I've just set up some subsections here. So there's account info, which is just nothing much, it's just a little password. Then the history data, this is all the data that was on the website. So I've downloaded it off the website and I've put it all here. So this is all of your PDFs, and the Shorley sensor information is all here. Okay, all the information I had anyway. You can add anything else to this, or you can add it to another subdirectory. And then I'm putting in video tutorials, that's the first one. Now, in terms of video tutorials, what I'll probably do anyway is I'll add it to YouTube. So I've set you a YouTube account as well. So if we go to here and go to YouTube, so Chorley History Society has, so we're still logged in as Chorley History Society, as you can see, top right. And if we go to my channel, that's the Chorley History Society channel. Okay, so there's nothing on there at the moment, but I have uploaded a video. It says there are no videos because I've set the videos as private. So I don't know why it's actually saying no when we're in. It should. That's very odd. I've uploaded a video and I saw it a minute ago, so I don't know why it's saying it's not there now. That's really weird. So I'll have a look at that. Anyway, doesn't really matter. The point is, I'm going to add how-to videos for editing the website, and I'm going to add them onto a playlist on this channel. And I'll send you a link in a separate document so that if you ever get stuck, you want to have a look at the playlists, you can just go to this YouTube channel, which I'll give you the link for, and there'll be a list of all the videos here with the title, and you can just watch the video. And one of them will be how to log in to edit the website. One of them will be how to share an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF. One will be how to load it onto G Drive. So I'll do those, and then you should then have the ability, they'll all be short videos, about 3-minute videos or something, and they should then be able to just very quickly skim to it, and if you're not already aware of how to do it, it should just show you how to do it, then you can do it. It'll be nice and simple. So that is where we are at the moment. So that's a 7-minute introduction, and I intend to sort of leave it there, and then I'll upload this video now, and then I'll add other videos as we go. I hope that makes some sense.